Hi, I'm Marco Capogrosso, an assistant professor in the Department of Neurological Surgery at the University of Pittsburgh, and I'm the director of the Spinal Stimulation Lab, which is part of the Rehab and Neural Engineering Laboratories at the University of Pittsburgh. Our lab focusing on developing neurotechnologies to restore movement after paralysis in a variety of disorders. Specifically, we develop small pieces of technology that interact with the brain to restore movement. Right now, we're very focused on two major diseases that affect the American public. One is stroke, which is a major problem that affects more than 5 million people, 400,000 a year, who lose the capacity to move their hands. We're developing a clinical technology that we're testing in clinical trials here at UPMC at the University of Pittsburgh that allow people that have had a stroke to recover movement of their hand and arm. At the same time and in parallel, we're using a similar technology to instead tackle a devastating disease, which is called spinal muscular atrophy, which is a motor neuron disease very similar to ALS that occurs in childhood and causes children to completely lose their ability to move over time, and it worsens over time. Our technology is able to restore the muscle capacities in these children and young adults to move again. One of the great things of being at the University of Pittsburgh is that it allows us to work closely with clinicians at UPMC to translate the technologies I was talking about from our laboratory to actual clinical practice. We're doing this both in stroke and in spinal muscular atrophy, and we particularly are interested in expanding these new tools to treat other neurodegenerative diseases such as ALS. We can do this with the support of our clinician that can really help us identify the best patients and the most important bottlenecks of transforming our technologies and our ideas into actual products. At the same time, in order to keep pushing the envelope of science, we're also working with transformative neurotech companies to develop new tools to be even more precise in stimulating and recording from the nervous system so that we can tackle more and more diseases, always in an effort to help adults and children with severe neurological disorders.